Hi there. Today I have a quick demo on a VSI V-Ball 2-inch control valve. This demo valve is on display at Kele in our will call sales area. Customers often take it apart and ask questions about it, so we wanted to share it. You have many options for control valves depending on your need and the scenario. This segmented ball valve happens to be a perfect solution for high-pressure steam applications. Most steam-related installations are low pressure, but customers sometimes call our technical service team about a solution for high-pressure steam. The V-Ball series assures positive low leakage control in higher pressure systems such as those with variable speed pumps. They're great for high temperature, high pressure, and high rangeability applications. And there you have it, a VSI V-Ball valve. This is just one of the many control valve options we carry. Give us a call so we can help you with all your control valve needs, and check out the control valve section on Kele.com for more information.